Welcome to Take a Leopard channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to get Microsoft Teams to open up automatically whenever you start your PC. So to do this, what you have to do is just minimize your Microsoft Teams. Then in the Windows search bar, just search for Task Manager. From the best matches, just open up Task Manager. Then you can just expand this and go to the left-hand side. If this is not available, just click on this. This will open up. Then just go to Startup Apps. From here, just search for Microsoft Teams and make sure it is enabled. If it's disabled, just right-click on it and click on Enable. And after that, you just can close Task Manager. Then just open up your Microsoft Teams again. Then from the three-dot menu, just click on Settings. And after you go to Settings, from the left-hand side, there's a hidden panel. Just click and drag to open it. Make sure you're inside General in Settings. Then under General in System Settings, you'll find an option called Auto Start Teams. You gotta make sure this is checked. And now, if this option is checked, the next time you open your PC, Microsoft Teams will automatically start up. And basically that is it. And that is how to make sure Microsoft Teams is automatically turning on. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.